Welcome to this special tutorial. In this video, I've compiled 4 powerful After Effects tricks to boost your editing workflow. Let's jump right into it. Let's kick things off with trick number 1. It makes anything look holographic with a subtle pixelation and wiggle animation that adds life to static images. Start by dragging your image or logo into the composition. Then apply the following 3 effects to the layer: Venetian blinds, turbulent displace, drop shadow, small blue diamond Venetian blinds settings, transition completion, 45%, width, 7, direction, 90 degrees. Light bulb. These are the main settings you'll tweak depending on the image. You may need to adjust them slightly to get the perfect look. Small blue diamond turbulent displace settings. Displacement, horizontal displacement. Amount, 9. Size, 11. Now open the evolution options. Alt+click the stopwatch on random seed and enter the following expression. Time *6. Set offset turbulence to 960/540. This gives the animation that digital wiggle effect. Small blue diamond drop shadow settings. Color, white. Opacity, 35 to 40%. Softness, 350. This adds a glowing aura to your image. Create a new adjustment layer. Apply the deep glow effect. Set radius/threshold to around 0.6. Artist palette. Feel free to tweak the glow intensity, e.g. try 150 or 200, until you're happy with the look. Now you're ready to add this pixelated holographic effect to anything, portraits, logos, images, and instantly make them look dynamic and digital. Coming in hot, trick number 2. Want to create an awesome countdown animation in After Effects? Let's get started. First, grab the shape tool and create any shape you like. A circle, square, or even a custom one. Make sure to turn off the fill and enable the stroke. Set the stroke width to something bold and noticeable, like this. You can also adjust the stroke color to be brighter or darker than your background for better contrast. Next, open the shape layer and add trim paths. Now animate it. Go to the end property of trim paths. Add a keyframe at 100% and then move forward in time and set it to 0%. This will create a smooth reveal or countdown effect on your shape, similar to what we did in our earlier technique. Now let's add the numbers. Create a new text layer. Select it, then Alt+click the stopwatch next to source text in the timeline. This opens the expression editor. Paste in this simple expression for a 5 to 0 countdown. Don't worry, I always include the expression in the video description. And that's it. You now have a clean, cool countdown animation using shapes and dynamic numbers, all inside After Effects. Boom. Is trick number 3. Here's how to create beautiful neomorphic motion graphics in After Effects. Start by using a light gray background, and place your graphics on top using a slightly darker shade of gray. Next, select one of your graphics and apply the drop shadow effect. Set the opacity to around 25%, the distance to 10, and the softness to about 25. Then duplicate the drop shadow twice. For the bottom shadow, change the color to white, flip the direction to the opposite side, and increase the opacity to 100%. To enhance the depth, you can also apply the bevel alpha effect. Set the angle to match the side where the white shadow falls, giving it that realistic, soft-pressed look. After that, duplicate your graphic and add a stroke. Use the trim paths effect to animate the stroke from 0% to 100%, creating a subtle drawing motion. For titles or labels, you can link the source text to the trim paths startValue, and use the expression to cleanly sync the animation with the stroke reveal. Don't worry, I always include the expression in the video description. And just like that, you've created an elegant neomorphic graphic with animation in After Effects. And finally, trick number 4 is a game changer. I'll show you how to create a smooth text reveal animation in Adobe After Effects. Let's jump right in. Select the Type tool and click anywhere on the composition to type your text. Use the Character panel to adjust the font, size, and style. Use the Align panel to center your text both horizontally and vertically. Twirl down the text layer to open its settings. Click the Animate button and choose Tracking. Then click Add Property Opacity. Set tracking amount to -100, or until the letters are overlapping. Set opacity to 0%. Open Range Selector 1. Set the start value to 0% and click the stopwatch to create a keyframe. Move forward 1 second, then set start to 100%. Select both keyframes, right-click and choose Keyframe Assistant Easy Ease, or press F9. With the keyframes selected, open the graph editor. Right-click inside the graph area and make sure Edit Speed Graph is selected. Pull the first handle all the way to the right. Pull the second handle all the way to the left. This creates a nice speed curve for smooth motion. If you don't see the motion blur options, click Toggle Switches/Modes at the bottom. Enable motion blur for the layer and also activate it in the timeline panel. And that's it. You now have a smooth and professional-looking text reveal animation. That's it for today's After Effects tutorial series. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more editing secrets every week.